Good day friends. Today topic is RUTC, RUCE, RUCO, RUCM, DG shipping, exit exam, question and answer part 6. Question number 101. Violent flame and heavy black smoke is typical of which sort of fire? Option A, wood fire. Option B, paper fire. Option C, fuel oil fire. Option D, electrical fire. The correct answer is option C, fuel oil fire, because fuel oil releases more amount of carbon dioxide, so it will be heavy black smoke will be there. So fuel oil fire is the correct answer for question number 101. Question number 102. The security drill can be conducted, option A, on phone call. Option B, on email. Option C, as a circular to all. Option D, as a combination with other exercise held such as search and rescue exercise. The correct answer is 102, option D. So security drill can be conducted together with search and rescue exercise. Search and rescue exercise, you can carry out the security drill also. So the correct answer of question number 102 is option D. Question number 103. Which type of relay in oil dashpot is used? Option A, thermal relay. Option B, magnetic relay. Option C, overload relay. Option D, under voltage relay. The correct answer is overload relay. Overload relay is the type of relay in oil dashpot. Question number 104. The diesel engine using lube oil with too high viscosity will exhibit, option A, increased starting difficulty in cold weather. Option B, increased oil consumption. Option C, thickening at higher operating temperature. Option D, minimum friction loss. So the correct answer is option A, increased starting difficulty in cold weather. In cold weather with high viscosity oil, the resistance of flow will be more. So the viscosity will become more, the oil become more thick. It will be difficult for the pump, like engine driven pump, gear pump, to build up pressure and start the engine. So the starting difficulty will be higher, and also this, as the flow of liquid is difficult, then there will be chance of low pressure activation also can possible. So this is the reason we always keep lube oil priming pump running in diesel engines, in order to avoid this getting oil more thick when you are starting the electrical pump. Also, if you stop for a long period of time in cold condition, when you try to start the electrical pump, get overload and got trip. Load on the pump is high because of the viscosity goes high, difficult to pump. So for question number 104, option A is the correct answer. Question number 105. Major amendments of STCW 1978 were, option A, 2010 and 2020. Option B, 1195 and 2010. Option C, 1980 and 2000. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, 1995 and 2010. These are the year the major amendment of STCW are made. So option B is the correct answer for question number 105. Question number 106. What is the minimum capacity of a fire pump? Option A, 20 meter cube per hour. Option B, 25 meter cube per hour. Option C, 30 meter cube per hour. Option D, 40 meter cube per hour. As per SOLAS, each fire pump should have minimum capacity of 25 meter cube per hour. SOLAS chapter 2.2. So the correct answer for 106 is option B. Question number 107. Cutting out fuel from the fire is called as option A starving, option B cooling, option C inhibition, option D smothering. In fire triangle, fuel, air, that is oxygen, and heat. These are the things will lead to cause a fire. If you cut off any one of it, fire will be stopped. Here they are cutting out fuel. This process named as option A starving is the correct answer. For question number 107, option A starving is the correct answer. Question number 108. Multiple fire pump may be used for other purposes provided that one pump is option A online to the fireman, option B kept available for use on fireman at all time, option C capable of being connected to the fireman, option D rated at or above 125 psi. So at any cost, one fire pump should be always ready to supply water to the fire line. The pipeline should be aligned for it. So option B is the correct answer for question number 108. Question number 109. Which of the signal is recognized as a distress signal? Option A directing the beam of a searchlight at another vessel. Option B a smoke signal giving off orange colored smoke. Option C a whistle signal of 1 prolonged and 3 short blast. Option D international code signal PAN spoken over the radio telephone. So the correct answer is option B a smoke signal giving off orange colored smoke. For question number 109, option B is the correct answer. So PAN is nothing but it's now they are using this word in probability of assistance needed. Possibility of assistance needed is the expansion of PAN. So this they are using in air fleets and also in ship fleets. Okay. So but the correct answer is option B. Question number 110. SOLAS consists of dash chapters. Option A 8, option B 10, option C 12, option D 14. The correct answer is option D 14. SOLAS consists of 14 chapters. They included 2 chapters. Chapter 13 verification of compliance. Chapter 14 safety measures for ship operating in polar water. These are the 2 chapters included in SOLAS. For question number 110, option D is the correct answer. Question number 111. Lifeboat engine should be able to start. Option A -50°C within 2 minutes. Option B 15°C within 2 minutes. Option C -5°C within 2 minutes. Option D +5°C within 2 minutes. The correct answer is option A -15°C within 2 minutes. Engine has to be started. That's why we have the option called glow button. The glow, before starting the engine, we always put this switch or your key to glow. This will heat up the fuel oil line, so the temperature on the fuel oil line will increase and it helps to start the engine without fail. So option A is the correct answer for question number 111. Question number 112. What is the minimum standard convention? Option A SOLAS, option B IMO, option C STCW, option D MARPOL. The correct answer is option C. So STCW. STCW is standard of training and certification of watchkeeping with minimum standard requirement. So option C is the Correct answer for question number 112. Question number 113. If you hear 7 shots followed by 1 long blast, what will you do? Option A, do nothing. Option B, call designated person ashore, DPA. Option C, go to Citadel. Option D, go to the master station with PPE and wait for the further instruction. It's not master station, it's a master station. So the correct answer for question number 113 is option D, go to the muster station with PPE and wait for further instruction. So if you are hearing 7 short blast and followed by 1 long blast, it differs from ship to ship. One ship it is an abandoned, it will be abandoned call, abandoned ship call. Otherwise, other ships will be taken as an emergency call. So any emergency or abandoned ship, you have to go to the muster station. So option D is the correct answer for question number 113. Question number 114. In a large slow speed main propulsion diesel engine, which of the parts listed is under tension when the engine is running? Option A, bed plate. Option B, column. Option C, entablature. Option D, thyroid. The correct answer is option D, thyroid. Thyroid is the correct answer. This thyroid holds 3 major engine components that include cylinder block or entablature, A-frame and case. That is your A-frame structure, your cylinder block, cylinder liner structure, and your bed plates. That means from TDC of the engine till your crankcase bottom, it is held by a single unit in order to keep it in tension always when the engine is running. So this is done by your thyroid. When you go on board ship, you can find it out, thyroids, which is on the cylinder platform, you can notice it. So for question number 114, option D is the correct answer. Question number 115. After 1st January 2020, what is the permissible sulfur content in fuel in non-ICA area, emission control areas? Option A, 0.5%, option B, 0.05%, option C, 0.3%, option D, 5%. The correct answer is option A, 0.5%. This is also called as SALCAP 2020. That is inside ICA area, it is 0.1% is sulfur content allowed. Outside ICA area, it is 0.5%. Question number 116. For question number 115, option A is the correct answer. For question number 116, how many codes are there in oil record book? Option A, 9 codes. Option B, 7 codes. Option C, 10 codes. Option D, 12 codes. The correct answer is option A, 9 codes. So MARPOL Annex 1 oil record book, it consists of 9 codes in it. Question number 117. How long should bunker sample be kept on board? Option A, 3 months. Option B, 6 months. Option C, 12 months. Option D, 24 months. As per MARPOL Annex 6, the bunker sample to be kept for a period of minimum 12 months or until you use the oil completely. Like you didn't use the oil, bunker oil, for more than 1 year, then you cannot throw this bunker sample. You have to keep it on board until you use that bunker oil. So for this question number 117, option C, 12 months is the correct answer. Question number 118. Lifeboat should be able to be launched within dash minutes as per regulation. Option A, 3 minutes. Option B, 15 minutes. Option C, 25 minutes. Option D, 36 minutes. As per SOLAS chapter 2, it should be launched within a period of 3 minutes. So option A is the correct answer for question number 118. Question number 119. What is the fuel quality standard used on board ship? Option A, ISO 8217 2019, 2009. Option B, ISO 8217 2017. Option C, ISO 8217 2002. Option D, ISO 8217 2012. The correct answer is option B, ISO 8217 2017. So for question number 119, option B is the correct answer. This is the standard we are using nowadays. Question number 120. Presence of catalytic fines in fuel oil is significant to engineers on board because the catalytic fines tend to impair proper operation of purifier. Option B. Catalytic fines lead to abrasive wear in liner, piston ring, and fuel injection equipment. Option C. Catalytic fine necessity increases in injection temperature. Option D. Catalytic fine necessity increases in storage temperature. The correct answer is option B. Catalytic fine lead to abrasive wear in cylinder liner. Scoring mark will be appear on the liner. Piston rings. Worn out of the piston rings and their coatings can happen. And fuel injection equipment. The fuel injection equipment can be the fuel pump, plunger and barrel. Worn out will be there. In the atomizer of fuel injector, worn out will be there. So this is the cause. It is not a significant. It's insignificant for the engineers. So it has to be removed by the process of filtration, gravity separation, purification method. So while gravity separation in the settling tanks, with frequently draining of settling and service tanks, this helps to remove the fines, and also your purifier will do a major part to remove these fines and also your filters. So for question number 120, option B is the correct answer. Okay friends, if you like my video, please like, and if you want to see more videos such like this with the explanation for the examination and other marine related videos, please subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, clarification, any viewpoints, you can update me in comment box. Thank you.